again. It's that time of year when the snow starts to melt and everybody wants to get up on the mountain. But they get up here and the road gets impassable and they get high centered in that soft slushy snow. So we're in the Cherokee. Got Becky with me today.
Hi.
I was making sure before I spun the camera around that she was good to go. She's always good to go. So anyways, we're gonna run up here in the Cherokee and hopefully just hook onto them and drag them out of there. And as always seems to be the case, I'll probably run into one or two others on the way out. So never a complaint about a quick trip to Kolob. What?
Hurry up.
Why?
I can put the window.
Oh, Becky wants to roll down the window. I'm eating hard. Caught me with my mouth full. To say something?
Well, finish up your thing. I can't even see. There you go.
Anyways, we're gonna head to the mountain.
That one.
See what we find when we get there. And we'll take you along for the ride. Like it. Got a bad transmission. Yes, you do. Oh.
Yeah, you have to put music on now.
I'm not going to get stuck anywhere. There's way too many trees.
I don't know if I should get out there and video them without like talking to them first. I just wonder if I'm going to be able to get that.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Kind of surprised you made it to that one spot right back there by that bridge.
I know, we are
Actually.
We were very surprised.
Now you gotta go through it again.
And we got it, and that's why when Nathan said, let's go back, let's dig ourselves out and go back, I said, I don't know if I could get through that again.
I walked up to Kolob Reservoir to call you guys, and I was like, no,
Aha,
we're going that way.
That's
We're
a
going
good
that
spot
way.
there.
Not that you would know, but over there on that restaurant thing, like right behind it on their patio, you can kind of like, it's a spot that works for some reason right there.
Of course.
Well, we knew we didn't have service back there.
Only knowing from being up here that I know that there's service right there.
Well, at least it's daylight, not dark.
Well, you know, and I thought the fact that it was well, no, we've been here since 8:30.
Oh.
You spent the night? Well, hell, you should have called me last night.
Well, I didn't want him walking in the dark.
Well, that's probably a wise thing. Well.
And we had 3/4 of a tank of gas or whatever.
So you was all right then.
Yeah, we have water.
Well, we'd have come and got you last night too if you got a hold of it.
Well, next time we come this way, we know there's service back there.
Have the number for next time, right?
Yeah, right. Well, thank you for not making fun of us.
And put it in reverse, and I'll just kind of pull you slow and just follow me, and
Are you gonna pull me to that?
I'll pull you over there to that thing there, and maybe down to that guard patch where we can turn around. You should be all right once we get you over there to that little black. Put it in reverse. Saved the day.
How?
You got out of the car and it come up and now it released this. All right, well, those folks got stuck last night at 8:30 p.m. and they made the right choice. Instead of walking in the dark or not knowing where they were going, they decided to just hole up in the car. They had plenty of fuel, and so they made a call first thing this morning, and dispatch got a hold of us, and we was able to sneak up there and get them pulled out. And so now we're going to just run up to the reservoir and make sure nobody else is stuck up here, and then we'll follow them off the mountain. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and a little lesson learned in winter road closures and staying with your vehicle. So we will catch you on the next one. Well, this looks like the end of the road. I don't see any more tracks going up, so I'm assuming that nobody else is stuck. But there's Kolob Reservoir in the winter, or the spring, whatever you want to call it. A few people been stuck here. You could drive across this right now. It's just like concrete, but when it warms up about 10 degrees, you would be stuck where you sat. You guys haven't lived until you had a snow slushy made out of Mountain Dew on the mountain. Heaven. Heaven. You didn't know I could build fence too, huh? Somebody had that log pulled off that fence and it was laying in the middle of the road on the way up. I almost hit it. So we decided we'd just put it right back where it went. Now the fence is whole. What a fine looking fence.